Hi, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. I want to take a look at Upstart Holdings. This is ticker UPST. So Upstart has been a major go since its IPO back here in the middle of December. It's up over 1,000% from that day, but it hasn't been an easy hold. You've had to sit through a lot of gut-wrenching 50% drawdowns, followed by 300% moves to the upside, and then another 43% drawdown. This is like the stock equivalent of Bitcoin, in my opinion, because you got to sit through the volatility to get the payoff. But I do see a little swing trading setup right here, right now on this chart. You can see this clearly defined level of resistance. We have resistance, 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 and then today we have a nice little pickup in volume. So what I want to see from Upstart, as it is holding here around the 21-day exponential period moving average, is a move through this downward sloping trend line coming on higher than average volume. I'd like to see this kind of follow through to the upside as it runs into its earnings date coming up on November the 9th. So that's what I'm looking for here in Upstart, and if it can potentially start to get going, it could start a new uptrend just before its next earnings report. So something to watch for, and I hope this analysis was helpful. If you liked what you saw, be sure and sign up for our free stock chart of the day at StockMarketMentor.com. We'll see you next time.